How's it going, fifth grade? So we are going to be doing what's called a radial print. Radial means that it starts in the middle and it goes out. So it's kind of gonna look like tie-dye, kind of crazy, but it's also really satisfying too at the same time. So if you know about printmaking, you should know that this is a brayer. We're gonna be doing foam printing. So we're gonna be using a piece of foam. And the reason I have everything out right now is because I want to show you the whole process, because this can be really confusing to understand, like, why are we doing this? Today, you are going to be doing kind of the background. So I've already made one. I just did one quickly with marker and made this crazy foam print really quickly. So it's not my best work, but you're going to be using watercolor, crayon, whatever you would like to make a background. And then you're going to be planning out. In the foam, we have carved a design. Next time, we're going to take brayers, some black ink. We're going to go over our design in foam. I want you to think of printmaking like giant stamps. So I'm going to take this inky piece of foam and press it into the corner of my image. And then I'm giving it some pressure all over. And when I pick it up, that image should be there. So this is how they used to print before they had printers. So here's what your final product should look like. It's just amazing. I get lost in these, and the cool thing about it is it doesn't need to be perfect. I like these little areas where it just didn't print correctly. I think it looks really cool, and this will be a really fun and quick project. So today we're gonna create the background. Next time I'm gonna give you the foam, you're gonna create your design and start printing on your square piece of paper. It is completely your choice of materials. I decided I wanted to do a texture plate this time, so I'm taking a white crayon and going over a texture plate underneath my paper. Like I said, you don't have to do watercolor, but if you decide you want to use it, you'll need a paintbrush, palette of watercolors, water cup, and a paper towel to switch your colors. You may decide that you want to do more of a radial color combination. It is totally up to you. These oftentimes turn out better if they have a radial color behind them. This goes on the drying rack. If it's dry, then it doesn't need to go on the drying rack. I'll just put it on the back counter. Clean your table and choose a new activity of your choice. I cannot wait for us to be here next time and try out the inks and the foam. It's going to be awesome. Have fun.